Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, where creativity meets cozy living. I'm Lulu, and you are watching part 44 of our beloved series, Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. Today, we are diving into the art of maximizing style in minimal spaces. So grab a comfy seat and let's get inspired together as we explore ingenious designs that turn tiny into trendy. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to keep up with all our latest videos. Let's transform your space into a charming heaven, no matter the size. Welcome to a cozy and adorable small apartment. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted with a bright and open space filled with natural light. The floor-to-ceiling windows provide the perfect backdrop for this charming space. The light-colored hardwood floor gives the apartment a warm and inviting feel, while the long balcony wrapped around two sides adds a touch of outdoor charm. The one-wall kitchen has black cabinets and white countertop. Moving on to the dining area, you'll find a cute wooden rectangular table surrounded by six chairs. And finally, the stylish and comfortable living area is the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a long day. The second design idea is a beautifully furnished and decorated small apartment with a simple, traditionally designed and warm open space. So Almond serene color palette in brown and gray hues. The laminated flooring and the floor-to-ceiling windows make the space look brighter and larger. Wonderful combination of comfortable furniture and nice decorative items, such as glass vases in bright colors, ceramic objects, decorative pillows, and indoor plants. Here in this image, you can see another small apartment design with the walls painted in a warm nuance of taupe color, hardwood flooring with a dark brown color throughout, large floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides, and a sliding door to a large patio. Quite large kitchen for such a small space with dark gray cabinets and island. The open space is beautifully and stylishly furnished and decorated. Let's step now into a typical Scandinavian style apartment with a bright and warm color palette at the same time. Cute apartment design with a rectangular open space in white, soft pink color combination. The dining area is somehow separated by the rest of the open space. Several well-chosen decorative accessories, such as plant, floral arrangement, and large modern paintings complement the overall decor. Welcome now to a cozy and adorable small apartment with a simple and trendy Nordic look. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted with a compact but bright open space filled with natural light. The floor-to-ceiling windows, the light-colored hardwood floor, and the light gray color of the walls reflect the light and make the space to look larger. The tiny one-wall kitchen has white cabinets and wood countertop. Moving on to the dining area, you'll find a cute wooden oval table surrounded by four wood chairs. And finally, the stylish and comfortable living area, furnished with a gray sofa and cute round-top wood coffee table, is the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a long day. And that's a wrap on part 44 of Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. If you thought small couldn't get any cuter, I hope you've expanded your horizon. Literally. Remember, a small space is just a big opportunity to unleash your creativity. If you enjoy our tiny tour of tremendous taste, give us a thumbs up and share this video with someone who's looking for big inspiration in bite-sized packages. Subscribe and hit the bell. You want to miss what we squeeze into our next episode. Stay creative, stay cozy, and as always, keep it cute. Until next time, this is Lulu signing off with a giggle and a wink.